The objective of the Induction Seminar of the Executive MBA is to welcome the participants of the new cohort and to introduce them into the right mindset and the values of our school. The seminar is divided into two parts. In the first part, we present to the participants the major challenges that they are facing in today's world, from sustainability to climate change and geopolitics. In the second part, we offer them a tool, an answer, a framework with these innovative thinking methodologies that can help them to better face the situations and to better lead their organizations.
Art thinking is a great way to learn the algorithm of artistic intelligence. In a world with artificial intelligence, you need to complement machines. And art thinking is the best way to do it, to be more social, more political, more emotional in your work.
For me, the most important takeaway from the Induction Seminar was every piece of work is the result of a collective, coordination of which the main driver is gift giving. It was definitely very interesting to learn that the art thinking making process could apply to whatever project we want to build.
Looking back on the Induction Seminar, the concept that's had the biggest effect on me is the concept of drifting. We've had long established careers, and now's the time to try something new, give ourselves the space to flow.